How does climate change actually impact people directly? It's right squarely associated with that most critical thing for our lives, good drinking water. Waterborne illness today kills one person every 10 seconds. That's today. By the time we get to 2050, we'll have 40% less fresh water than is needed by humanity. And so when you think about the issues associated with lack of potability, meeting issues associated with lack of availability and scarcity of fresh water, that combination is a very scary prospect. The question becomes, how do we better improve people's access to good water in light of the fact that the challenge is getting worse because of climate change? It turns out that we don't have to reach into the earth for liquid water resources. Instead, in the lower part of the atmosphere, the troposphere, we've got 12.5 quadrillion kilograms of water vapor at any given time. That amount of water vapor is equivalent to about 6 times all of Earth's rivers. And so you have this massively renewable resource that's massive in scale. At Source Global, we developed a technology that takes air in and makes pure water. We refer to that technology as Source Hydropanels. Imagine a hydropanel that's installed at somebody's home. The panel wakes up in the morning and it has materials inside that are hygroscopic materials, meaning they like water vapor. They absorb water vapor from the air. And then we expose those materials to sunlight. And when they see sunlight, they respire that water vapor into an enclosed space within the hydropanel. And so that really has enabled us to now produce effectively distilled water wherever we are on the planet. And then we run that through a mineral block to mineralize the water, bring up the pH, and then we keep it ozonated so it's always sterile, ready for use. When you have hydropanels at your home, like I do, every day that you get a glass of water out of the tap in your kitchen, you're holding yesterday's sunlight. If you think about water stress as being one of the first places that climate change comes home to roost, and then you can provide a technology that directly lifts people up. That's a beautiful direct connection, and one that goes right to how we have to be thinking about climate change, because we are late. And okay, the game is not over. We can still solve climate change, but it's still true that we need to adapt people to the world that we're in and get busy providing resiliency for the world that's coming. Source is one piece of that. And Source Hydropanels are certainly starting to have a big impact around the world, and a lot of filling in to do to make perfecting water for every person, every place a reality.